Candle making offers a surprising number of benefits, both practical and personal. Discover a treasure trove of benefits beyond the flickering flame. Here's a deeper look at why crafting your own candles can be such a rewarding experience. Unwind and de-stress. The rhythmic motions of pouring wax, arranging wicks, and stirring fragrant oils can be surprisingly meditative. It's a chance to step away from daily anxieties and focus on the present moment. Imagine the calming aroma of lavender or chamomile wafting through the air as you create, further enhancing that sense of tranquility. Embrace your inner artist, unleash your creativity and transform a blank canvas of wax into a masterpiece. Experiment with a vibrant spectrum of colors, from calming ocean blues to energizing citrus yellows. Explore a world of captivating scents. Will it be the earthy notes of sandalwood or the uplifting burst of lemongrass? Design unique containers by upcycling old jars or tins, adding a personal touch that speaks to your style. Craft the perfect present. Forget generic store-bought gifts. Give your loved ones something truly special, a handcrafted candle tailored to their personality. Imagine gifting a relaxing lavender candle to a friend who needs a moment of peace, or a stimulating citrus candle for a coworker who thrives on energy. The thought and customization poured into each candle makes it a gift they'll truly cherish. Budget-friendly luxury. While there's an initial investment in supplies, creating your own candles can be a cost-effective way to indulge in the warm glow and beautiful scents you love. Especially if you plan on making a large batch, the cost per candle can be significantly lower than buying them pre-made. Plus, you have the satisfaction of knowing your money is going towards high-quality ingredients you choose yourself. A sense of accomplishment. Witnessing the transformation from raw materials to a finished product is incredibly rewarding. The meticulous process of pouring, setting, and decorating culminates in a beautiful, functional candle, a testament to your creativity and patience. Lighting your handcrafted masterpiece and inhaling its delightful aroma fills you with a deep sense of accomplishment, a reminder of your newfound skills. Know exactly what's inside. Take control of your well-being by crafting candles free of harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances often found in commercially produced options. By opting for natural waxes like soy or beeswax and incorporating essential oils, you can create candles that are not only beautiful but also gentle on your senses and potentially even offer aromatherapy benefits. So, why not embark on this delightful adventure into the world of candle making? It's a practice that nourishes your soul, sparks your creativity, and leaves you with the warm glow of accomplishment, and the beautiful, fragrant reward of a handmade candle.